For a Beyblade that can take beat hits and keep spinning, check this out. I am testing Fortress Knight GV870UN. This is a defense type Beyblade made strong battles. It comes with both Beyblade and a launcher, so it's ready to use right off the box. Make it like that. Giant launcher. Like our Beyblade is ready. I really like that is the new CX Infinity system. It comes apart into different pieces so you can build different combos and try new setups. For example, let us do it. 1, 2, that. Okay, and this one, look, you can apart like that. This one here, this one here, like that. This one here, like that. After with this one, ready, like that and like that. It's easy. During the battles, it feels solid and stays balanced when it gets hit by another Beyblade. So now I want to show you a real Beyblade X battle. Okay, let's do it real example.
3, 2, 1, ready.